Hello! Yesterday, welcome to my channel again guys. Kumusta? And meron lang akong ibalita na kahapon, I did the live streaming yesterday. And in the middle of my live streaming, this package came. There was a doorbell and I received a package. Ang aking mahal, sinorpresa na naman niya ako. Ito, nakatanggap na naman ako ng package. So, normally, I don't really vlog whatever I receive from him. But, this time, I'm really surprised what it is. So, let's see. Whatever he's sending me. Normally, he pay attention to what I have. So, then he'll buy it for me. So, let's see. Whatever it is. It's kind of heavy. Another box from, it's another box inside of the box. So, let's see. Oh, it came off because I just, it's heavy. And there's a styrofoam, so, I see the picture. Wait guys. It's a heavy duty build, powerful 1200 watt motor, heat function, 6 preset programs. Wow. That's the blender. So let's go try it. Okay. Well, it's really tight. Oh well, let's just open it. It's a box inside the box. There you go. Now, so that's what it's inside. It's so heavy. Wow. That's a surprise because he says I didn't have one. I remember we were talking about it, but I guess I have to open it from underneath because it's already open. It got open when I tried to pull it. Wow, it's kind of heavy. Oh my. This thing is heavy. Wow, that thing is heavy. My goodness. Give me a hard time. Even this is heavy. Oh my goodness. Thank you, darling. Now I can make my smoothie. Oh, there's more in here. What is this? Oh, it's like, oh my gosh. So, what is this actually? It's like a juicer or something? Ah.
I'm gonna break this box. It's
multi-function blender. It is a multi-function blender. Wow, perfect because it's summer and I need to get in shape. So I can just do smoothie. And look at this. It's some kind of a thing in here. Wow. My goodness. This is heavy. See how ignorant I am? So this goes, obviously goes in here, or like that. See? And there's cups. And wow, it's heavy, guys. This is from BCP, Best Choice Products. So maybe y'all need to look it up. This thing is heavy. This actually maybe like 15-20 pounds. It's heavy. So, thank you, darling. Mahal ako ni Mahal. Mahal ako ni Mahal. Kasi lagi niya akong ngayon lang ako nagbablog ng mga kung ano yung mga pinapackage niya. Kasi sometimes hindi ko na, I don't like vlogging everything na ina-unbox ko. Galing sa mga padala niya. So, oh, tingnan mo. Tatapon ko na sana. Ito yata yung do not operate without this cover in place. The most important part goes over here. You see? My gosh, yoo-hoo! This goes like this. Oh. No. This over here. Wow, this is something. It doesn't. Man, I'm having trouble putting this together because this thing and this, obviously this goes over here. You see, there's a thingy thing here. There's a thingy thing on here too. That obviously goes over here, but when I do this, oh, there you go. I just need to sit so I can see it. Now, together, it's so heavy. Baby, you're the greatest. Thank you so much. It's heavy, like 50 pounds. So I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna break this thing before. No. So you had to twist it. You see, when you're from the mountain, you don't know how to operate things. Plus, without looking at the manual or directions. This got, maybe if I start just blending everything like fruits and veggies, then this is gonna go away, huh? My gut is gonna go away. this big. Anyway, woo, I'm happy. Yoo-hoo. And this is a measurement, I guess. So, yeah. Love my honey. Honey bunny. Thank you, my love, for everything and for every little thing. You know, it doesn't have to be material, but thank you anyway. He keeps giving me stuff, and I don't even remember giving him something for his birthday, but it is not my birthday and there is no occasion for me to give me something like this, but I guess he saw my kitchen, or every time he comes, he pay attention of what I don't have, especially in my kitchen. So this is why when we buy a house, I want a big kitchen for all my kitchen stuff like this. So all right, thank you so much. This is really, I think it's like it's his digital something here, so we're gonna try it out and see you guys later.